In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to design and create presentations. So this is my Microsoft Copilot. I've just logged in and I asked it this question: can you create a 10-slide presentation about the future of AI in Nigerian universities? And take a look at what it has produced. Slide 1, title, and slide 2, introduction to AI. Slide 3, current state of Nigerian universities, AI in global higher education. You can see the slides and their content very well detailed and designed. And you can see everything up to slide 10. And it has given me a written that's asked further, would you like me to help you turn this into a visual slide deck? And I said yes. Okay, so take a look at what it has produced with speaker notes. Okay, it included speaker notes underneath, which you can add for your own reference at any given point during your presentations. You can add these speaker notes for you to stay comfortable and to refer to your text when delivering the presentation. Now, after this detailed presentation, it said, would you like me to format this into a downloadable presentation file or help you design custom visuals? And I said, yes, create the PowerPoint slide in this. It said, I can't create a PowerPoint downloadable PPT files directly. However, I can give you details of what to do. So take a look. It has refined these slides again, giving me more and more content as regards the content of each of the slides. Now, it's finally asked, will you like me to help you design a custom visual theme or generate placeholder images for each slide? And I said yes, and it gave me all of these images that you can use them for your own content. Let me show you what I have produced with them. So this is what I've produced with those AI images and the text from the slide that I've gotten. So take a look. This is what I have created. And I think it's kind of manageably okay to kickstart using your own presentation. So this is basically how to use Microsoft Copilot to design a simple presentation for your next seminar or next presentation. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.